Okay, hello everyone. Today we are going to continue with our module 6. Unit 8, good luck, bad luck. Okay. This is the exercise session. The note section, you can check the other video. Alright. Okay, so the first exercise is vocabulary 1, sport and competitions. Okay, there are 7 sports and competition words in the word square. You have to find them all. Alright, let's have a look. Okay, the first one that you can find is probably coach. Hang on, let me highlight it here. Okay. Then you have match. You also have stadium. The next one can be goal. You have another one is team. Okay, and then you also have race. Okay, how many we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There should be last one on this side. Tournament. Yeah, the whole thing. Okay. Alright, you probably can use a better highlighter than me, so don't forget about that. Okay. Now exercise number 2, circle the correct words. Who is the winner of the school football team this year? Who is the captain of the school football team this year? So the answer in this example is captain. Alright. So number 1, the loser or the champion of the tennis match got very angry and walked off the court. Okay, who will get angry? Champion or loser? Usually the one that lost. Loser. Alright. Number 2, I've been an Atletico de Madrid supporter winner all my life. Okay. You're not the person in the club. Bukan orang dalam club football ni. So you can't be a winner. Alright. You don't play for this club. But you are a supporter. Okay. Penyokong. He's won the chess tournament now. He's the stadium. Now he's the champion. Okay, one person cannot be a stadium. Stadium itu bangunan. So he is the champion. Alright. Number 4, if we play well, I think we can beat our supporters. Mengalahkan penyokong, that is wrong. Opponents. Okay, lawan awak, musuh. Yes, this is correct. Alright, next one. She's crossed the finish line first. She's the loser or winner. Okay, if she's first, she's the winner, pemenang. Alright. Number 6. Real Madrid's match or stadium is called the Bernabeu. Okay. Or Bernabeu, I'm not sure of this Italian word. Match is the perlawanan. Stadium is the place. So a place can be having a name. So it's the place, of course. Alright. Okay, exercise number 3. You're going to write the verb either play, do, or go. Before all these activities. All these are activities. Alright, either sports or something. You have to do the correct verb. Okay, so we have an example here. Go running. Alright, you choose go for running. Okay. So for football, you play football. Okay, I'm just going to write the the initial, since they're a bit long if I write everything and spell it out. Okay, so number 2, gymnastics. You don't play gymnastics. You don't go gymnastics, you do gymnastics. Alright. Okay, you do gymnastics. Alright. Horse riding. Okay. You don't play horse riding, so you go horse riding. Alright. Number 4, table tennis. You play table tennis. Alright. Skateboarding. You go skateboarding. Okay. Okay, taekwondo. You don't play taekwondo, you do taekwondo. Alright. Basketball. You play basketball. Okay. Okay, now that we are done, I'll just fill in with the letters here. Okay, play, do, and go. Alright, so exercise 3 done. Now we go into our exercise number 4. Label the pictures with words in exercises 1 and 2. Okay, so this is a goal. Alright, the goalkeeper just missed the ball and then it's a goal. Okay, number 1. Okay, this is it's either a netball or a handball or a volleyball. So everybody is in here. We call it a team. Alright, team. Pasukan. Alright, number 2. Okay, this is the referee. Then there's 2 teams, captain shaking hands. Who are they? You're talking about the people here. You can see the C there. Okay, the leaders of the team, we call that captain. Okay. Number 3, you have an arrow here on the person, and then there are more person. What do you think this is? Okay, they are bringing the perhaps this is the color or team flag or something, so they are being supportive, so they are the supporter, penyokong. Okay, of course in plural just add s. You're writing in plural, but in general these are the supporter. Okay, we have a chess match between a girl and a boy. They are this arrow is pointing to this person, and then you can see the action here. He just lost, so he is the loser of the match. Okay, she is the winner of the match. Okay, this last one, you can see all the flags here. That's the field there, and these are all the spectators, the supporters. What do you call this place? This is called a stadium, right? Okay, this is a stadium. Alright, and the last section here, complete the text with words in the sizes 1 and 2. Okay, it's the night before the big athletics. Okay, athletics what? Okay, you're going to continue behind, so it's tournament. Right, athletics tournament. Okay, students from 20 schools are competing. I'm relaxing and watching a football match, perlawanan. Alright. On TV with my brother. Then I'm going to go to bed early. Tomorrow morning, he's going to take me to the stadium, okay? The person who's training you, right? Coach. He's going to take me to the stadium. He's worked with me every day to improve my times. Race times, okay? Because you can check the next sentence here, it's about 100 meters, so it's race. Okay, race times, making it faster. Okay, now I can run 100 meters in 13.4 seconds. That's very fast. Okay, 3 more seconds and it'll be Usain Bolt. My strongest tomorrow is called kalah. Strongest who? Lawan, musuh lah dalam perlawanan ni, dalam race ni. Call that opponent. Okay, opponent. O-N-E-N-T. Okay, sorry, a bit not enough space there. She has run 100 meters in 13.4 seconds too, but I think I can beat her. So this is your confidence here, right? Okay, so that is our exercise on page 64. We will continue on the next page in our next video. Okay, bye everyone.